All right, we are sitting in the 2012 Toyota Sequoia Limited. So 2012 Toyota Sequoia Limited, and the rear wiper will not engage. Have you had this issue? Have you had this occurring on your Toyota Sequoia or other Toyota vehicle? Well, let's take a look and see what is going on. All right, let's hop in to the car. I got two dogs, look, two dogs with the AC running. All right, let's do it. Driver's door is open. And I'll check the tire thing in the next video in a second. I probably got a nail. Anyway, so what do? We go over here. I engage. It's on. And nothing. I get nothing. Doesn't. And if I turn for the washer fluid, nothing comes down. Here, let's do it in the mirror. You can see nothing's happening except the big dog head in the way, but no fluid or anything. What could it be? Let's take a 5-second pause and you guys tell me what is going on. Is it a bad windshield wiper pump motor or something else? All right, let's give it 10 seconds and we'll find out what's going on. Here, the dog's gone. I'm engaging the switch. Off, intermittent, on, nothing, negative. Go back to off, and even if you do the little quick squirt, nothing. You can see nothing. I'm doing it right now. Nothing's happening. And that is what the problem is. So what could it be? All right, so what could it be? Looking around, nothing is obvious. Oh my God, is my motor bad on the pump? Is the switch bad? No, it's just something really simple. On these Sequoias, you got this window right here in the back and auto up and down. So if I push it, it obviously will go down and up. But if you pull on it, it'll go up, right? So watch, I'm going to pull on this. The window went up an inch. It was not fully seated. So let me push it all the way down. There's the window, goes down, goes up with the dog in the back. And I always give it just another pull right here. Pull, goes up. Now let's check and see if that was the issue. All right, I'm going to do a quick squirt. There it goes. Quick squirt, and then we'll do the intermediate, and then we'll do full on and with squirt. There you go. There is the solution. Make sure before you take it in anywhere and pay a diagnostic fee, just check every little thing. This is a safety measure. Make sure it's all the way up. And if it is, and it still doesn't work, then you may have a bad motor on the windshield wiper pump. Never go into a Toyota service department. The only reason why you would ever go to a Toyota service department is what? For warranty work. You never go voluntarily where you have to pay out of your own pocket. That's where independent shops come in, or mobile mechanics. You never go to a Toyota service department unless it's covered under a warranty. All right, hope this helps. Short little video. I came across this. Now I got another problem. I'm gonna go check out why I'm got a flat indicator and probably got a nail with a leak, slow leak, and we'll look at that. All right, make sure your window's up. Hope this helps. See you guys in the next one. We got two dogs. AC is cooking. And it's still running pretty good after replacing the low and high service port O-ring. Not O-rings, the Schrader valves. I replaced those, added some little oil to them, tightened them down, and then it appears the leak has ceased. All right, I'm out. Take care.